For last 2 years, I have been researching, where to do the hair trans options in Turkey, New Zealand, Australia. But the comfort and the confidence I only had Indian doctors. So I got in touch with Dr. Arth 5 months back before I was planning this trip. And after talking to him, I had no doubts that he's the right person to get the surgery done. And from day one, I know nothing but excellent communication, no issues with hair transplant. From the day of surgery, it was a painless surgery. Even before I was getting the surgery done, I had a couple of friends who had done the surgery through some other clinics and stuff, and all they told me, oh, it's a painful surgery, oh, it's not very comfortable. And I had to tell them after my surgery, I had to tell them that it was a completely painless surgery. The staff, doctors' support, and even the aftercare, no issues at all. And I would like to recommend Dr. Arth Shah 100%. If you are planning to do the surgery, even thinking of doing it, get in touch with him and he will give you the right guidance and right support in what needs to be done. I would also like to add that my surgery went until 2 a.m. in the morning. Dr. Arth Shah kindly he dropped me home. So the personalization of the whole service, right from the day one till the surgery, and even after dropping home, he didn't have to come and drop me home, but he insisted, "Nah, I will drop you in my car," and that was something very touching. It was more personalized. It wasn't more of like a business for him. It was my case or my surgery was a personalized touch. Like he made sure that I was comfortable right from the day one till he dropped me home, and the follow-ups till today. So I have nothing but amazing feedback for him. So do get in touch with him.